Welcome guys, today we will see how to get these colors, WBS colors in our Excel sheet like I have here. But now we will prepare another sheet to show you how I have done this one. I will copy all Control A, Control C, Control V. If you see, it's quite colorless. We will use conditional formatting to get it done. For this, but before we go for the conditional formatting, we need to calculate these values. Normally you see we use trim formula to trim these values in Excel, but here we will use trim formula to calculate how many trims are there. So another thing, if you see in front of WBS, of course there is no activity. In front of activity IDs there is some text, but here nothing, and we will use this one as well in our formula. Let's see the formula. It's if C1 is equal to empty, then calculate in order of 1. You can use 1, 2, 3, whatever you like, even 0.5, 0.25, but here 1. Then I will use length formula. I will tell you at the end why I used this length formula. If you like, you can see length of B1 minus length of trim B1. Close everything except the first one. Then if false, then return to 0. But we got 0. If I drag it down, yeah, we got some values. These values are for WBS. For activity, it's 0. Let me filter. So we got 135. If you see, this is WBS. Okay. Now we need to apply conditional formatting to get these colors. For this, let's go to conditional formatting. Manage rules, new rule, use formula is equal to this one. Here make sure to release, don't fix the rows. 0. If it is equal to 1, then I need this color. My font should be any color you can choose. Here I use white. Okay, and the range applies to the whole sheet. Apply. Okay, that's great. Same we will do for 3 and 5. Okay, let me do quickly. 3 format I need this color, I need white. Okay, okay, and it should apply for the whole sheet. Okay, now another is 5. I will do same new rule, this one. Okay, equal to this one. 1 5 format I need something like this. Color, font color I need this, and apply it to whole sheet. Let me see. Yes, Now I'll explain why I use this trim formula. If I copy this value, let's say Control V, P, but here I will put some spaces. Okay. Now if I need to find the length of these text value, I will go for length and this one close. So it's 17, and here I have put some spaces. Let's see, it's 31. So we just calculated this thing in, but in reverse order. Here if you want to trim this, you see you will get this. So we just minus this one to that one to get that value. So it's okay for us to make some conditional formatting. Hope this helps. One more thing, if you really want to use these colors, then what you need to do, simply go to paint, okay, crop this one, paste here, go to the color picker, click on that particular color which you want, then go to edit color. You will see green 120, blue 215. I will go to the sheet, same conditional formatting, manage rules. This I want, let's say this color I want in that form. So I will edit the rule. I will go to the format. Here in colors, I will go to more colors. Red is 0, 120 to 15. 120 to 15. Okay. So in the same way, you can select the color of um, this text also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.